Today at Comric, and Glenn's going to show us how we move half shafts out. Alright, that one's too tight.
It does help to have the disc on there.
Yep.
Just so they sit flush.
Yep.
When you don't have the disc, you just got to evenly tighten the nuts up so you don't skew the plate.
Yep, so pull it in square. That's a 12 ton cylinder Glenn just used to crack it. Now he's going to quickly change over the 5 ton to drive that shaft out all the way. So what do you have to change over from the 12 back to the 5?
Just because not quite enough travel on the end of that.
Yep.
To be able to push it all the way through. Sometimes they do come out.
So Glenn, how long have you had the tool so far?
I think we've had about 2 or 3 years, haven't we?
Yeah, I think so. So come across any that you haven't been able to get out?
Not one. Not one. Not from ours, none from local mechanics that come down.
How many do you reckon you've done in that time?
Have to be at least a couple of hundred.
Okay.
At least.
So what made you decide to buy the tool?
Well, we've always had issues. We used to hit them with a hammer and damage the thread on the end of the shaft, or loosen the bearing in the actual housing.
Yep. So how many more we got to do after this?
I think we'll probably do probably 100 today.
Okay.
If we get through them all.
Okay. Well, thanks Glenn for showing us.
No dramas.
That's the mechanics, mate. Thank you.